Chapter 7 P Block Elements 12 Science Part 7 Trends in Chemical Properties.
Hello students, I am Madhusina, your chemistry teacher. Watch my YouTube videos, like and subscribe it for further notification. Let us continue further the discussion of chemical properties of P block elements. In this video, we will be discussing about the reducing character of hydrides. Now, before we start, let us first understand the meaning of reducing character. Reducing character means the tendency to behave as a reducing agent. What do we mean by reducing agent? An agent which helps in reduction by getting itself oxidized. By getting itself oxidized is known as reducing agent. It helps in reduction. What does it mean? There are three ways it can help in reduction. The first way is by loss of oxygen. The second way it can help in reduction is by gain of hydrogen. In case both oxygen and hydrogen is not present, then it can help in reduction by gain of electrons. So, by any of these three processes, the reducing agent helps in reduction. And the reducing agent is getting itself oxidized. That means it is undergoing any of these three processes. Which are these three processes? Either it is losing electrons so that the other can gain electrons, or it is losing hydrogen so that the other one can gain hydrogen, or it is gaining oxygen. So by any of these three processes, a reducing agent helps in reduction. So when it is helping in reduction means it is undergoing either loss of oxygen or gain of hydrogen or gain of electrons. And if it is getting oxidized means it is either losing electron, losing hydrogen or gaining oxygen. Now let us compare the reducing character of hydrides of group number 15, 16 and 17. I have not written group number 18 as you already know group number 18 do not form hydrides. Now if you compare the reducing character of hydrides, when we say hydrides, that means all these elements they are capable of forming EH bond. The bond between hydrogen and the element. Okay, so they are capable. Here we are representing it in the form of HX. Halogen is HX. So they are capable of forming a bond with hydrogen. Now as you move down, what happens to atomic size? The atomic size increases as we move from top to bottom. So, the EH bond length or HX bond length increases in a group, and since it increases, so bond dissociation enthalpy. What is bond dissociation enthalpy? The amount of energy required to break the bond. decreases in a group. So less and less energy is required to break the bond, and more readily the bond can be broken. Hydrogen can be given. Hydrogen can be donated. Now it is giving. Reduction is what? Gain of hydrogen. So who is giving hydrogen? From here hydrogen is given for reduction. So these can act as reducing agent by giving hydrogen to the other one. So it is itself getting oxidized and helping in reduction. So what can we say about the reducing character of hydrides when we move from top to bottom? The reducing character of hydrides. Reducing character of hydrides increases when we move from top to bottom. And why it increases? Because the tendency to lose H plus ions goes on increasing. Same will be the situation in group number 16. As you will move down, the tendency of this EH bond to break becomes more and more easy, giving H plus ions. Same is the situation with group number 17. So let us one by one see what is the trend in this chemical property. If I take group number 15, NH3 is less than PH3, less than ASH3, less than SBH3, less than BiH3. So this NH3 is mild reducing agent, whereas BiH3 is strong reducing agent, or you can say strongest reducing agent. NH3, why? Nitrogen is smaller in size, so this NH bond requires more energy to break, so hydrogen can go with slight difficulty. The size is going on increasing when we are moving, and the tendency to lose hydrogen ion goes on increasing. So NH3 is a mild reducing agent, whereas BiH3 is the strongest reducing agent in group number 15. Now if we see group number 16, oxygen and hydrogen, they form very strong hydrogen bonds. The attractive forces are so strong that it results in the change in state. Water is a liquid and H2S is a gas, that we have already seen. So water do not act as a reducing agent. So the reducing character basically starts from here. So we can write that H2S is less than H2SE is less than H2TE, and polonium, the hydride of polonium is not that stable, so we are not writing. So H2S is mild reducing agent, whereas this is strong reducing agent. Similarly, if you compare the elements of group number 17, HF, due to very smaller size of fluorine, a very strong hydrogen bond is being formed here, which do not allow the hydrogen to move out. So HF, right? And we are moving, if we move in a period, now you will think that why then ammonia is capable of giving, right, hydrogen. Right, the size of ammonia, the size of nitrogen is bigger in the respective period. This is the smallest size. So smallest size, so strong hydrogen bond. So HF is not showing this reducing character. It starts from HCl. So we will say HCl is less than HBr, is less than HI. HI is showing or is behaving as the strongest reducing agent. Reason: the size of iodine is bigger and it results in the breaking of this HI bond readily. So in other words, we can say the bond enthalpy of HI bond is very low. So it behaves as the strongest reducing agent.